All right, I want to show how to do the Total Fit Gym new members example that's on the web page. So basically this is, let me do some formatting here. I'm going to take this and merge and center. I don't know why I went there. Yeah, my Excel is narrowed down, so I don't have the normal merge and center I'm used to here, but it was hidden down in here if you have the same issue with yours. I'll make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to take I want to wrap text here, and I wonder if that's wrap. Yes, that's wrap text. Bold, center. I want to take this whole thing and I want to put a fill color in, something like that, and a thick bottom line. I'm also going to take this and fill it. I don't want to do that actually. And I want to take these and wrap their text, bold it. Okay, this I do not want coloring there, so I'm going to take that out. All right, so we have this Total Fit Gym new members. So we need to make a formula here, 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 and here. This formula here for the cost, what I want to do is I want to take the membership, look it up based on the membership type, and return the cost here. Now remember, if you have a table, that's going to be a VLOOKUP. Type VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, get the little helper open, and my lookup value is going to be the thing I take down to the table. Okay, so the lookup value again is going to be the item that we take down to the table. See, this deluxe will match this deluxe, and we want to return the cost. So here we need to put our table array in, similar to the last problem. Select just the data, not the headings, and these always get $signs. And I need them between the number. You can do absolute if you want. I'm going to do absolute this time. And then column index number, this is column 1, column 2, column 3. We want to return the cost. The cost is in column 2. So we simply put a 2 there, and that's it. And we copy down. All right. So the annual total, the only difference is for the annual total versus this cost is this locker thing. If they rent a locker, they have a $75 fee tacked onto their annual total. So again, if they rent a locker fee, so you can kind of tell by the way the wording is that this is going to be another example of the if statement, or the if function. Okay, so what's my test? I want to know, does Alan want a locker? So we want to know if D4 contains the word yes, and you do that by D4 equal to yes. If that is true, then let's return $75. If that is false, then if they don't want a locker, they pay nothing. If it's true, they want $75. Now I'm going to copy this. Let me just notice I'm in here. I'm looking down here, this red box outside, so I know the red needs $signs. Of course, that's not the annual total, right? This is in addition to the cost. So I simply add this to the cost. And do I want $signs there? No, because this is C4 is in this row. Okay. All right, good. So Alan is buying his thing for 1 year, so $575 for 1 year. That's very simple. 575, that cell times this cell. And that's what he owes. He's only doing it for 1 year. Now I'm going to copy down. Notice there's nothing down here. So I'm okay with that, with no $signs. The down payment is based on the membership type. If they're deluxe, they owe $250. Family, $6. Individual, $200. So again, I'm looking at the table. This is going to be the same thing as last time. Another VLOOKUP. My lookup value, of course, is the membership. Well, let me get the helper going. My table array is the same as last time. Nothing different. Except the only difference is I'm going to return column 3 instead of column 2. And of course I need my dollar signs there. Okay, see how that works? Individual, $200 down payment. So if they made a $250, if Alan made a $250 down payment of that due, what is his balance? So basically he owes $575, but he subtract out what he wrote a check for, and you can see that's all in the same row. So he owes $325. Okay. In the monthly payment, again, if ever asked to do payment, just start typing in PMT and then hit the little helper and work on it from there. At least you know you got a good start. Okay, so the rate, what is the rate? There it is right here. So the interest rate is this 0.05, but again, is the interest rate per period for the loan. For example, 6% on 4 for quarterly payments. We are doing 12-month payments by default. So this is the yearly, so I divide that by 12. Sometimes there'll be a field for the 12, sometimes there won't be. Number of times I need to make a payment. Well, this is going to be the total number of years for the loan times 12, right? So for every year, I'm going to make 12 payments. And then how much am I borrowing? Blindly put a minus sign and hit the balance. Okay. Do I need dollar signs? I'm going to need them in this blue box. The blue. Oh, and I don't have them. So I need dollar signs there. All right, and that's it. That's the monthly payment. Summary statistics. Let me format paint this. Let me merge. Number of new members. This is the count function. I'm actually going to use count A for count anything or count all in this range of cells. Lowest monthly payment, what's that? You know what that is? We've done that before. That's the minimum monthly payment. Okay. And notice how I'm not closing those parentheses. When I hit the check, it closes it for me. Average. Average monthly payment. I'm going to hit the check and it's going to close the parenthesis for me. And then the maximum is max. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. Maybe some formatting, but that's about it.